Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pisces, pauna mensahe po ninyo, change is coming. Napakaganda naman nito. Napaka-vibrant, napaka-liwanag, no, ng energy na nilalabas ng card na to. Change is coming. So, most likely this is a positive and beautiful change na paparating sa inyo, no? There are a lot of opportunities na maaaring dadating papasok sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon that is going to open up new situations, new experiences sa buhay ninyo. Sabi dito, I am here to guide you through this exciting information. This is a time of joyous opportunities. Ginagabayan kayo ni Archangel Michael dito, no? As you transition from one situation to another because of this change. What else? We have you are protected. Napaka-blessed ninyo, Pisces. You are protected during this transition. You are guided during this transition. So, napaka-blessed ninyo. Kaya wag kayong matakot, no, sa mga pagbabago. Wag kayong kabahan. Wag kayong mag-worry. Because Archangel Michael and the rest of your spirit team are there to support you, to guide you, to protect you. Okay? Sabi dito, you are safe within my bubble of light. You can proceed with confidence. Ayan. So, pinoprotektahan kayo ni Archangel Michael dito talaga. We have the way forward is open. You're not trapped. Possibilities and opportunities abound. Ayan na nga. I will guide you to personal and spiritual freedom. So, napakaganda naman ang mensaheng ito din, Pisces, no? The way forward is open. So, most likely, you are up for growth. You are up for personal transformation, for personal and spiritual freedom, no? Merong pintong nagbubukas para sa inyo ngayon, para kayo ay mag-thrive, mag-expand, mag-evolve into the best version of yourself. So, maaring isa yan sa mga pagbabagong mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, no? You're going to have that transition pagdating din sa personal ninyong buhay, sa personal affairs ninyo, personal life. Sabi dito, no, it is not yet time. This is not the divine right time to take action. Please be patient. The opportune moment is approaching. Ayan. So, huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Sometimes, meron talagang mga delays, no? Sa mga kagustuhan nating mangyari sa buhay natin. Hindi pa daw ito ang divine timing for you to take action towards whatever it is that maybe mga dreams ninyo yan, mga goals ninyo yan. So, parang stay put muna kayo, no? Stay put. Just hang in there. At saka, siguro kung meron kayong mga bagong iniisip, siguro na bagong endeavor ninyong gustong gawin, maaaring magbubukas kayo ng bagong negosyo, maaaring mag-e-enroll kayo for a new course, mga ganun. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, stay put lang muna kayo. Okay? Dahil hindi pa ngayon ang tamang panahon para dyan. There are other things, no, na kailangan ninyong pagtuunan ng pansin, tulad na lang siguro ng mga pagbabagong ito. Okay? So, what else? We have don't give up on love. Pisces, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Okay? Kasi, maaring ang iba sa inyo dito, no? Kung nasa relationship kayo, baka may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan with your person at this time. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na mauuwi yan sa hiwalayan, mauuwi yan sa pag-dissolve ng inyong relasyon, ano? Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. No, yan ang sinasabi dito na don't give up on love. Kasi, baka kailangan lang ninyo dito ng acceptance, ng forgiveness. Kailangan lang ninyo dito ng deeper understanding, no, doon sa inyong person or sa naging sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon. So, don't give up. Okay? Don't give up. Pairalin pa rin ninyo ngayon ang pag-ibig, no? Kung hindi naman ganon kabigatan siguro yung kasalanan ng kung sino man, 'di ba? Matuto tayong magpatawad. Sabi dito, a relationship you cherish can be healed, no? So may chance pa na mag-heal 'yan, no, na kung ano man ang problema ninyong pinagdadaanan. So allow me to clear the way for forgiveness so that love can thrive again. So meron pang tsansa dito na maayos pa ang inyong sitwasyon. So, kung siguro mataas pa ngayon ang tensyon, may galit pa kayo na nararamdaman, then step back a little from that, no? At magpahinga muna kayo, magnilay-nilay, mag-meditate kayo, ground yourself, okay? Para nang sa ganyan makabalik kayo sa inyong core and then get back to it. No, get back to it. Get back to conversation. At baka sakaling makapag-usap na kayo ng maayos, wala na yung mga galit ninyo, no? At ma-address ninyo ng tama, no? Kung ano man ang naging problema. We have you ready for more. Your career is growing and blossoming. Napakaganda naman. Now is the time to make the changes you have been contemplating. Ayan. So maybe ito ang isa sa mga pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay ninyo. Siguro yung career ninyo, no? Maaaring yan ang magbo-bloom ngayon, yun ang magbo-blossom, yun ang mag-grow. May mga changes siguro na mangyayari dito sa inyong sitwasyon sa karera, no? So, good luck to that. What else? Baka merong career advancement dito, no? Na magaganap. We have angel number 2222. Ayan. So, relationships. Ayan. So, don't give up on love, no? Maybe yung relationship ninyo is going to be your priority din sa ngayon. Balance will be back in your life, no? Which is good. Prosperity coming your way then. Efficiency, patience, no? Humility, yun din ang mga kailangan ninyo na i-display sa ngayon, ano, para makatulong sa inyo, pagbuti ng inyong sitwasyon. You can do everything by yourself, but life is to be shared. Partner up with the right spirit and you'll become a force. So, siguro meron ditong collaboration, ano, and you have to be aware and you have to be observant din sa mga taong papartneran ninyo or sa mga tao na kukunin ninyong ka-collab, no? Para makasiguro kayo na you are sharing the same goals. Honor commitments and people around. Don't judge, okay? And listen. So, yun ang mahalaga din. We have angel number 1441. Yan, life goals. Meron kayong mga life goals sa ngayon na siguro balak ninyong abutin, ano? You are on a mission, kumbaga. There is a need, no? To have that sense of self sa ngayon para highly connected kayo with your soul. Honesty is very important din sa kahit anumang klaseng relationship. At maybe you are planning to embark on important projects pero sabi dito now is not the time yet, 'di ba? So hold on to your plan muna habang wala pa yung divine timing. Sabi din sa card, it's the time of intense self-development. Focus your mind on your craft. You already have what it takes to succeed, but practice makes you a master. It also serves to find your true purpose. Leveling up in your career or business is a priority right now. So, meron talagang malakihang kaganapan dito sa inyong karera, ano, now that it's growing and blossoming. So, yung career or business ninyo talaga is a priority for you, Pisces. So, this is really good. Maaring yung mga changes na to ay along those lines, no? Kaya good luck to that. So, thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.